Meaning of happening.
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 Happening. Happening is a term used to describe events or occurrences that are currently taking place or are about to take place in the near future. It can refer to a wide variety of things, such as social gatherings, political protests, cultural performances, or natural phenomena. The term emphasizes the idea of something being in motion or unfolding in real time, and often carries connotations of excitement, unpredictability, or urgency. Happening can also be used as slang to describe something that is cool, trendy, or popular at the moment.